Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into 13 powerful AI tools that you should definitely try in 2025. Whether you're a content creator, entrepreneur, or just an AI enthusiast, these tools will help you work smarter and faster. Let's jump right in. First on the list is DeepSeek, an AI assistant similar to ChatGPT. It helps with writing, research, and problem solving. Example, let's say you need a short story. Just give DeepSeek a prompt like, write a short story about a brave girl who discovers a hidden portal in her backyard. And within seconds, DeepSeek will generate a full story for you. Next, we have Gravity Write, a powerful writing assistant. It helps you create stories, blog posts, emails, and more with ease. Example, want to write a blog post about the future of AI? Just type in the topic and Gravity Write will generate a well-structured article for you. 3. Hailuo AI. If you're looking for an AI animation tool, check out Hailuo AI. It can turn your text into animations and bring static images to life. Example, type in a description like a robot waving in a futuristic city, and Hailuo AI will generate a smooth animation, perfect for YouTube, social media, and presentations. Up next is Adobe Firefly 2, an AI-powered image generator. It can create high-quality images, expand photos, and enhance designs effortlessly. Example, need a fantasy landscape for a story? Describe it in text. And Firefly will create a beautiful, detailed image instantly. Need Lifelike AI avatars? DeepBrain AI can create virtual humans that speak naturally. Example, want to create a virtual news anchor? Just type the script, select an avatar, and DeepBrain AI will speak and animate it for you. Perfect for news updates, e-learning, and business presentations. 6. Kling AI. With Kling AI, you can turn your image into animation in seconds. Example, upload a photo of yourself and Kling AI will animate it, making it talk and move. Great for animated explainer videos, music videos, or storytelling. 7. 11 Labs. If you need realistic AI voiceovers, 11 Labs is the tool for you. It can create professional voices in different styles and tones. Example, copy and paste a script, choose a voice, and let 11 Labs generate a natural-sounding voiceover for your video. Perfect for audiobooks, ads, and YouTube content. Next up, Runway Gen 3, an AI tool for video generation and special effects. Example, want a cinematic scene of a knight fighting a dragon? Type in the description and Runway will generate an animated video for you. Great for filmmakers, YouTubers, and VFX artists. 9. Leonardo AI. For AI-generated art and illustrations, Leonardo AI is a must-try. Example, need a logo for your brand? Just describe your business, and Leonardo AI will generate a professional design. (10) Pika Labs. Want to create AI animations from text? Try Pika Labs. Example, type a puppy jumping over a rainbow. And Pika Labs will generate an adorable animation, a perfect tool for content creators and marketers. 11. Midjourney Chapter 6. If you love creating hyper-detailed AI art, Midjourney 6 is the latest version of this amazing tool. Example, Describe a mystical castle on top of a floating island, and Midjourney will generate a stunning, high-quality image. 12. Google Gemini. Google Gemini AI is a powerful assistant for research, coding, and productivity. Example: need a summary of a 50-page report? Just upload it, and Gemini AI will generate a clear, easy-to-read summary. Last but not the least, ChatGPT 5, the ultimate AI chatbot for writing, conversations, and creativity. Example: need help writing a script, email, or code? ChatGPT 5 can generate polished professional content in seconds. Now, let us discuss why these AI tools are important for content creation. In 2025, AI is changing the way we create content, and in 2025, these tools will be more essential than ever. Whether you're a YouTuber, a blogger, or a business owner, AI can save time, boost creativity, and improve quality. With tools like DeepSeek and GravityWrite, you no longer need to spend hours brainstorming or writing. These AI assistants can generate stories, blog posts, and scripts instantly, making content creation effortless. For visuals, Adobe Firefly 2 and Leonardo AI allow you to create stunning images without needing advanced design skills. If you want to bring images to life, Hailuo AI and Kling AI make animation simple, turning still pictures into engaging videos. AI-generated voices are also becoming more realistic. With 11 Labs, you can turn any text into a professional quality voiceover, perfect for podcasts, ads, and videos. And if you want a lifelike AI presenter, DeepBrain AI can generate a virtual avatar that speaks naturally. For video creators, tools like Runway Gen 3 and Pika Labs bring AI-powered animation and effects to the next level. They help turn ideas into high-quality videos, making content creation faster and more accessible. And with AI chatbots like ChatGPT 5 and Google Gemini, research, script writing, and productivity become effortless. These AI assistants can summarize information, answer complex questions, and even help you plan and organize projects. These tools are not just trends. They are the future of content creation. Whether you're making YouTube videos, marketing campaigns, or digital art, AI will help you work smarter, create faster, and stay ahead in 2025. And that's a wrap. These 13 AI tools will help you work faster, smarter, and more creatively in 2025. Which tool are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AI content. See you in the next video.